Hello kids, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to practice the two grammar tenses that we have learned so far, which is past continuous and past perfect continuous. Remember that when we practice tenses in the past, we need to have fresh in our minds the verbs, right? The verbs in past and the verbs in past participle because they are always needed. And this is why it was so important for you to do yesterday's tutorial first. Now that you have done that, let's move on and start. Today we're going to play together again. So please write in your notebook tutorial 6 and number 1 to 10. Leave a space as always for you to write the answers. Okay, complete answers with all of the verbs. That's what I'm going to check. For this tutorial, when you finish this, you can take a photo of your notebook and upload it to Classroom. So let's start. This is a short film and it's very funny. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we have our two characters, Oranjo and Pinky. Orange and Pinky when someone Pinky. What do you think? What were they doing? Number 1. Write your answer and then we will check it together. Yeah, they were cuddling when someone took Pinky. What is cuddling? Well, it's what they were just doing. It's like hugging, giving some love and affection to the other person. We use the past continuous, remember, right? Was, were, in this case, they were cuddling. And then we use the past simple or simple past to describe an interrupted action in the past. And someone took Pinky. We just know she was taken. Okay, he just saw Pinky taken away. The driver, Pinky in a cooler and her to his truck. What do you think? Driver? I know maybe all of these options are a little bit overwhelming. So overwhelming. So let me help you. The thing that is happening now is that we're describing an action that is already in the past, that happened, right? The action is finished. So the driver, Pinky in a cooler, he did that and it's over. He put her in a cooler. And then what did he do? He carried her to his truck, right? The actions were finished. So in this case, simple past, simple past. Okay, we're not using continuous tense because it's not something that took a long time or was progressive, and we're not using past perfect because we're not referring to a time before. This is just simple past. Use the simple past to describe a series of events in the past, right? Actions which are finished. Okay, while the driver struck Oranjo to save Pinky. Number 3. While. Remember the keyword here is while because when we use while, we're expressing that the action was happening at the same time, right? It's progressive. So what do you think? While the driver was starting his truck, Oranjo was running to save Pinky. These actions happened parallelly at the same time and they were in progress. Right, look at poor Oranjo, he's here trying. We use the past continuous and the past continuous again to discuss two actions that happened at the same time in the past. for the driver when he Oranjo clinging to the window. What is clinging is what he's doing exactly right now. You can see him right there. You can see Oranjo. I know you can see him. He's here clinging to the window, like he's holding on to dear life to that window. So the driver, a little bit redundant, but the driver was driving. Right? He was driving when, and when is telling me this is an interrupted action, so I need a verb in, yes, simple past, when he saw Oranjo clinging. Number 5, Pinky the brake and the truck out of control. Write your answer. Pinky pulled the brake and the truck spun out of control. Spun is the past, is an irregular verb of the verb spin. Spin, spun, spun out of control. Okay, 6. By the time the driver to Oranjo and Pinky, they. So let's see. Number 6, write your answer. By the time the driver got to Oranjo and Pinky, they. Remember, what is the tense we use to express something that happened before? The action that happened before, the action which happened first. Past perfect, had jumped. By the time the driver got to Oranjo and Pinky, they had jumped because they did that first. Actually, they jumped first. Here, the simple past plus past perfect combination describes an action that happened before another time in the past, which is exactly how we learned it on the book. Seven. While they, from pool to pool, the driver, them. While they, yes, past continues. While they were jumping, the driver was following them, right? The two actions happened at the same time. We have the word while here. Oh, wow, the driver, Oranjo and Pinky. Simple past, what happened? Yes, the driver caught Oranjo and Pinky. Oh, wow, the driver controlled his truck and into the sea. Driver, write down the answer you think. The driver lost control of his truck, right? Past. It's over. The action happened already. He lost control of his truck and crashed into the sea. Okay? We're not comparing. We're not saying it happened at a specific time before another one. We're not saying it was in progress. No, it's over, right? The action is finished. This is why we use the simple past. Oh no. 10. Oranjo on the coastline when the bird, him. He was sitting on the clothesline when the bird grabbed him. Oh no. Let's see what happens at the end. Congratulations, you guys. You're on your way to doing some great things and keep working hard as always. Did you like this tutorial? A little bit different, huh? I hope you liked it. Tell me what you think in class, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.